All right, seventh grade, Mr. Hildebrand here. My son, Oliver, he's about 3 months old, is swinging in the background. So if you hear somebody making a racket, that's probably him. So please excuse him for the time being. But I wanted to get on and make this video, the screencast, real quick to show you all how to make a timeline in Google Drawings. Okay, so it's going to be like a little Google Drawing tutorial slash instructions for the assignment. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Central Dauphin school page. Okay, just the school website. Go to Students. You're going to go down to where it says Google Drive. Okay, you're going to click that. I'm already logged in. Okay, yours will actually ask you to log in. So you log in using your school email. Then, if you go up here and you click on New, you can go down to where it says More. So go past your normal Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, go past all that, and go over here to where it says Google Drawings. If you click on that, it's going to open up a new one. So the first thing I want you to do, just like you do with any Google Doc, give it a name. Okay, so put your last name. My last name is Hildebrand, and then put timeline, since you're making a timeline for me. Okay. You can put your first and last name, but you can just do your last name, whatever's fine, as long as I know it's you. Okay, and then when you share it with me later, it'll also have your name. Okay, this just kind of helps me when I'm looking through them all. So Google Drawing, if you never used it, there's lots of different things you can do. First thing, since we're making a timeline, hit the line. Okay, then it will let you kind of click and drag. Okay, to put a line there, or you can click and it will make a line, and then you can adjust the points up or down or however long you want it. Okay, if you don't want it, let's say I don't want that original line, I can just click this, select it, click delete, get rid of it. Okay, and let's say I like this one down here, I can select it. Now I can make it bigger, right? So let's say I thought it was too thin, I can go 8, and that makes it a little thicker. All right. What you can also do is you can add shapes. Okay, you can add shapes. So there's all kinds of shapes right here. Even some emojis and stuff. You can make different kind of arrows. If you like making comic book kind of stuff, they have some call outs here. Or if you want to do any math things, you can do that as well. I'm just going to use, maybe I'm going to put a little, use this. It looks like a little, maybe like burst, I would call it. Like a burst, like a, like a firework or something. Okay, so on your timeline, obviously timelines, they kind of show things from beginning to the end and where things are in order of time. So for yours, this first one, put a little burst or a little dot or something there, and then you're going to go ahead and insert a text box. So if you click that, the T text box, there's your text box. That's your birth date. So you would write born, and then you can put your full birth date, or you just put the year. Okay. For mine, I'm going to say some 1992. Okay. I have a September birthday, so 92. And then you're going to do another burst or another dot or whatever you want to do. So go to shape. I like the burst, so I'm going to go back to the burst. They got stars there too if you like that better. I'm going to put it here at the end. Now, obviously, our timeline is going to go on and on and on and on. But for right now, we're just going to end it with present day. Okay. So here, let's put a text box. Let's put 7th grade in the year 2020. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to put 5 other events on here. So you've got the year you were born, you've got the current year down here. I need you to put 5 other important events. Okay, it could be a sibling being born, could be when you accomplished something really cool, could be a fun trip you went on, or when you met somebody, or anything that you think is important. Now, it can be sad, it can be happy. I'm not going to put any limitations on that as long as what you're sharing is school appropriate. You can go any way you want with this. I just need 5 things in the year that they happened. Okay, 5 things in the year that they happened. When you're done, you're going to, so I would put 5 other ones in here. Let me just put well, you guys get the picture. I don't want this video to get too long, be too much to watch. So I put 5 other important things that happen there. Go up here to share. I got it. We want to add people. If you start typing in my name, TJ Hildebrand, I'll pop up and you can send it to me. Okay? And then I will get it as well in my email. Awesome, folks.